wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Are you joining my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe. Also like, share and comment. I need to read your comment. In today's video, I'm going to make a face soap. This face soap is very nice and it will lighten your face and it will whiten your face. It's very nice. So please let's go and make this face soap together. Welcome once again to my channel, guys. We are going to use only 4 soap to make this face wash or face soap. I'll be using my Brava International soap. I'll use my Extra Beauty soap. I'll use my Ashanti honey soap, and I'll also use my K Brother soap. So right now I'm going to uncover them. So I'll remove it from the cover. So my first one is the K Brother collagen soap. This is my Brava International soap. Yes, I'll use one of that. And I'll also use my Extra Beauty soap. Right, I'm going to remove my Ashanti soap. So guys, see you right back as I'll grate all the soap. After that, then I'm going to add in my Snow White powder. Snow White powder is very nice, so I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of it. It's very nice for the body and for the face. I'm going to add in my Sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is very good because it will protect the skin or your face. So I'm going to add in Sandalwood powder. It's a botanical powder. Yes, I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of it. We get it from a plant, so it's very nice. I'll also add in my turmeric powder. I'll add in 1 tablespoon of it. Sorry, it's because of my fan. So guys, I add in 1 tablespoon of it. And I'm going to add in my camwood powder. Yes, camwood powder is very good. We get all these ingredients from plants and trees, so it's very nice. I'll be also adding in 1 tablespoon of my camwood powder. Then I'll add in my arbutin, alpha arbutin. I'll add in 1 tablespoon of my alpha arbutin. I'm going to add in my giga white powder. Yes, I'll add in my giga white powder. It's a little, so I'll add in 1 tablespoon of it. Our next ingredient is rice powder. Rice powder is very good for whitening and also for toning, so I'll prefer adding in my rice powder. So I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of my rice powder. Then I'll also add in my oat powder. Oat powder is very good for itching, eczema, so I'll be also adding 1 tablespoon of my oat powder. Guys, I'm going to add in my niacinamide, also called vitamin B3. Yes, it's also very good for face, so I'll also add in 1 tablespoon of it. Then I'll also add in my beta arbutin. I have 5 ml of it, so I have added into the soap. And I'm going to add in my Aloe Vera Gel. I added in 2 tablespoons, full tablespoon of it. I'm going to add in my alpha arbutin serum. Right now I'm going to add in all the serum. I'll also add in my Scented lotion. It's very good for face. And I'm also going to add in my Clinic Clear oil. It's for dark spots and any spot on your face. So I have added in 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add in my Carotone oil, 2 tablespoons of it too. I'll also add in my Snow White syrup. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of it, and I'll also add in my 7 days Skin Perfect to 1.5. It's not up to 2 tablespoons, guys. I also adding my Shenek for face. I added in 1 tablespoon of it, guys, and I added in my honey, 2 tablespoons of my honey. I added in my whitening glycerin or glycerin. I added in 2 tablespoons of my glycerin. I added in my lactic acid, 2 tablespoons of it, and I added in my neem oil, 1 tablespoon of my neem oil. I'm going to add in my propylene glycol, 1 full table of it, and I'll add in my zero spot serum. I'll also add in 1 full table of it to clear all the spots or the spots on our face. Then I will stir it very well. I will let it combine with the oil and the powders. After stirring it for a while, I'm going to add in my soap booster. I'll add in my soap booster, a little of it. Yes, a little of my booster. After adding in my booster, then I will stir it and I will blend it also. So I will be right back, guys. Look at our soap right now. I use my stick blender to blend it for 30 minutes. Yes, guys, 30 minutes. And I'm going to add in my preservative, guys. I have added in preservative. I'll also add in my vitamin E oil. After adding my vitamin E oil, I'll add in my fragrance. Then I will stir it again. Look at our soap, yummy and beautiful, guys. You can still blend it again. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video.